45-minute flight check-in. Is it possible? Ever wondered about the absolute minimum time you can show up before a flight and actually make it? We're talking about that heart-racing, last-minute sprint. Let me tell you, that 45-minute mark you sometimes hear about, it sounds ridiculously tight, and in most cases, it's a pipe dream. Unless you're flying private or hopping on a small domestic flight from a tiny regional airfield, 45 minutes is a recipe for disaster. Think about a regular commercial flight. When I flew from Dublin to London a few years back, even though the flight was short and domestic, I thought arriving an hour before was plenty. Boy, was I wrong. The check-in and security lines were an absolute nightmare and chewed up a full half hour right off the bat. Then the gate was inevitably located at the furthest possible corner of the terminal. I literally sprinted the last stretch and boarded red-faced and sweaty just minutes before they closed the doors. Trust me, I was that crazed person. The rule of thumb for most domestic commercial flights is usually 60 minutes minimum, and internationally, forget it. You need at least 2 to 3 hours. Why risk the stress, the potential ticket loss, and the full-blown airport anxiety? Give yourself that extra cushion of time. Save your energy for your destination, not for a frantic race against the clock. Learn from my near misses. Always check your airline's specific recommended arrival time and add 30 minutes to it. You will thank yourself later for the peace of mind.